Hey guys, welcome back. So today, friend of mine, we're gonna go down, get some stuff, fresh vegetables, herbs, meat, and we're just gonna go cook it up. Have a great day out just chilling. So I'll see you guys on the other side. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Auntie V,
Ate. Yeah, baby. Morning. Morning.
you got any fine time?
So I'm playing code. What's up?
You got fine time?
No, baby.
Oh, you actually ain't got fine time? Yeah. I don't want to do some partially, but you ain't seen partially either.
Come in. Yeah, baby.
Alright. How many got please? You got some time and parsley, please? Time and some parsley. I don't know, probably like just a $200 one. The same thing for the time.
Give me 4 bundles then.
Here you go, Mom. Thank you. Have a good day. Cathy! Are you there good? Well, she really got it. You see that with some machine.
Alright, so just skip through a few parts here. So we have our steak already marinated with some dry herbs, salt, crushed black pepper, and some dehydrated garlic seeds. So I'm just going to cook that on high heat on the grill pan and do an 90-degree turn on it to ensure that it has that beautiful check mark, grill marks, and then we're gonna put some garlic, thyme, butter. Bait that in the butter, give that nice buttery flavor, and then we're gonna finish that in the oven.
Eat dog. Eat dog. Try it dog. Got into dog. Siamo whipped. There was a line, the sauce correct. Exactly. I want to slap nobody, but it's correct. This is just a T-bone steak with vegetables. It's a pasta, sun-dried tomatoes, and some herbs. Simple dish. 10-15 minutes here.
Alright, so we'll just let them eat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you!